There's a special tool to unlock the belt.
Which we'll be using to reinstall it.
When we go to reinstall, we'll be using that. We didn't bring it with us today, so we're gonna try to jerry-rig the tension system to release the belt. And if that doesn't work, we'll just go ahead and cut it at that point. No, need more. Right there, I got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now. Yeah, that would be perfect.
Okay.
You're going to replace the belt, aren't you?
Yes.
I just chopped it off.
So if you guys look over here, there's a special tool to pull the tensioner, and then you take a pin and you lock it. We created a little pin to lock the tension in place, but obviously we couldn't get enough to release the belt all the way, so we're going to cut the belt off. But we're going to buy a new belt anyway, so we're going to go ahead and cut it off. If you're in the car this much, go ahead and change the belt while you're at it. So. And the reason we locked the tensioner in place, so if we went and cut that belt, it doesn't just boom, pop, because you'll ruin the tensioner at that point. There it goes. Whoa, what was that noise?
That was the superchargers right here.
So the noise that we have is from that.
You know what? Doesn't feel too bad though. It doesn't feel like maybe it's not destroying.
We're slowly getting to the supercharger.
Okay, now the back of the